Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 21 divided 7 by 4 times 4. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve it because what they do, they cancel out the 4 with 4 and 21 divided by 7 is 3, which is the incorrect answer. Why? Because when you have given 21 divided by 7 by 4 and 4 and if you have given 21 multiply 7 by 4 and 4 times 4, they both have different questions. You can cancel out this with this in this case, but not in this case. Why? Because when you have division sign in between two number, you have to follow KCF rule, which stands for K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So let's apply this. Keep the left hand. Now see change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. Now it becomes like this. Now you can't cancel the 4 with 4, right? Because it's in multiplication. Now solve it. Now you can cancel out the 7 with 21 at 3 times. 3 times 4 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12 times 4, which is 48. So what is the correct answer? 48, not 3. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.